Alright, hello everyone. We are here with episode 3 of Archean Xenon coding. JackPS9 here. We're going to actually do some code today. There probably won't be any more videos until about Monday, which would be... what is Monday? The 29th at this point. For Eastern Canada time. Although I'm kind of getting this video done late, but whatever. Alright. So I want to cover some things that will essentially help you to debug your code a bit, as well as make your first program. So we're going to start, okay, with init, because it will be so much easier. Also, with making our first program, I'm going to show user-defined functions as well. But for this, right, we are going to print to our console, which is down here, okay? And we just want, in quotations, hello world. Okay? So, one thing you guys might notice is, okay, a device function call must be followed by a set of parentheses. Hold on a second, okay? Optionally containing arguments in, okay? But here's the odd thing. It says set of parentheses. It works, and there's only one. You don't actually need to close your parentheses in this game. I don't know why, but you don't. Okay? And as you guys can see, it says hello world down here after it is loaded and before it is run. Okay? So if I now come down here and we go update, we'll go, I don't know, print echo. Okay, see, so it said hello world first, then it was loaded, and then it went to the update. This will always be run before any of the other code. Okay? Update also happens, same with every tick, okay? Both of these are essentially the same. Why you'd want to use this, I don't know. If you're more into proper programming, this is probably mainly going to be what you use, because essentially you'll probably understand your update loop more than what a tick is, but yeah, you can use either or. Okay, so we want to make a proper first program, right? So one would think you just come down, type in function, because that's how you start your functions, and then it's at whatever you want to call it. So we will call this my first function, okay? You will take one argument, and as taught, I'm pretty sure I covered this, at least in part 2, that you have to use the, God, what the hell's the money symbol? I guess currency, okay, I'm not entirely sure what the currency symbol is actually called, but I'm just going to refer to it as the currency symbol. I apologize, give me a second, and we will actually, currency symbol name. Oh no, holy shit, it's actually... What is currency symbol? Okay, so that's legitimately what it comes up as, is just currency symbol. Okay. But anyways, right? And then we'll just go string you have to define the type that it is in here. And as I know I covered in part 2, there's typically 2 types, which is a number or text. We're just calling this string, so it will be text. Okay, and if you want to return a value, it is either just text or number. After, I believe, no, after a colon. Jesus Christ, I am tired and I can't remember the difference between a semicolon and a colon. Cool. We are not going to bother with that. Okay. And we just want this to print what we've already done, which is hello world. Okay. So, to call a function, it's just its name. Okay? So it'd be my first function. We're just going to pass it nothing because it's whatever. And as you can see down here, no idea if it's actually readable or how readable this is because the text can be kind of small. It says function, my first function is not defined in teaching or in teach part 3 main.xc line 2. This is line 2. Here's our function. It is clearly defined. However, it is not defined before it is called. So you actually have to put it above where you're going to use it. Okay, so now it works. Right? If we wanted to print our string, we could just go print string and then put in hello world here, right? But yeah, so that is functions. If we wanted to return a value, right? We'll just go my second function and we'll just make this a basic addition function because it would just be easier, and then it also teaches some of the other stuff regarding this. So we just want to return, right, A plus B. That's it. Okay. So if I come in here, we can go 1, 2, right? However, this returns now, so we'd have to print the value here, and it gets 3. If I put this as 8, we'll get 10, yada yada yada. But yeah, so this is the basics of functions. Hopefully it was helpful. It's kind of like Lua in that aspect. And as per usual, guys, if you guys have any questions of that, ask. Because it's just so much easier. Because then it at least gives me an idea of like what I need to be making videos on. Alright, I will see you guys in the next video, which I will probably be recording right after this because I want to keep this stuff as short as possible to keep it as easy and readable and accessible as possible. So then, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.